I was saying the Pomona deal is one that we have come to know in the public now. What is happening with, behind the scenes that citizens need to know? What is happening with the Mbudzi exchange?
Oh, the Mbudzi exchange is not ours.
Mm-hmm.
It's a government thing. It's a clover leaf design. Basically, the design is okay. Mm-hmm. We worked together with them for that design. The contracting and the costs, I'm also surprised at the prices. But that's
surprised that they are too high, they're too low?
They are too high, okay, from what I gather. Mm-hmm. But, well, what do I know? So, but the road network needs, that interchange needs to be done. Mm-hmm. Not only that, we need to revamp our transport system. We need to look at our termini. Our termini was based on a centralized system. Mm-hmm. It doesn't work anymore. People want to go to Bindura, want to get their combis or transport on the Bindura road. People want to go to Bulawayo, want it there. People want to go to Mashingo, want it at Mbudzi. People want to go to Mutare, want it. So we need to redesign the city, redesign our termini. Then we need to redesign our roads, our trunk roads in the city. This
is very important, because then it speaks to a whole lot of the order even in the city.
It's order. We now need to design our roads in Harare. So 2nd Street must not allow you to stop, okay? The design. So these roads must be, we should design fast-moving roads. So a road network is like a river, okay? So you design it with flow in mind. So what they've done in South Africa, where there are certain roads that just don't stop. Once you get into that road, you are moving, you are going, you've said you are going out. So there are certain roads that don't need to stop, because there are people who need to get out of the town fast. You don't need them in town. So once they get on that road, they must know that
it's going out.
It's going out. So you need to redesign. So there's no stopping in that road. We need to redesign. Lusaka has done that to its roads, and we need to do that to our own roads to be able to create a complex city. We need ZIPCO back to the city councils. The transport system design needs to come back to the city councils so that we redesign the road network. We need a rail system. We already have got a rail network that moves in the other southern and western suburbs. Yeah. And that rail network, we can put, it's a heavy rail network, but light rail can also move on that. So we need to look at its potential as light rail right up to Chegutu. Because most of all these cities are now feeding on Harare. Yeah. So what we need is to be able to get people from Marondera and Chegutu very quick into Harare and out of Harare, so that they don't congest the roads. If you look at Marondera now, people need to come to Harare. They live, so that we can allow our satellite cities to a person must be able to live in Marondera, but be in Harare in 30 minutes. Yeah. Live in Chegutu, be in Harare in 30 minutes, and go back.
Plans of subways?
Yes, subways. Well, we can do subways, but we don't really need a subway. We've got space in this country. Most of our roads and our cities were built quite recently. Yeah. So we have space to do whatever we want to do.